Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another Mustang mod. So as you saw last time, what we did is we went and did the brake calipers. So they're still looking good, so still well happy with those. Hasn't been a long time since they've been done though, so I still need to get the wheels done black. That's coming up, so stay tuned, that's in a later video. I've also received a load of parcels this morning for more mods and more videos coming up. So again, subscribe to the channel and then you're not going to miss on those, and stay tuned and keep watching, because in future videos I've got some great videos planned. Some bigger and more expensive mods are coming your way on this channel. So those of you that are regular viewers of this channel will know that I do all of this on my own. So it's quite hard work to do everything on your own, and you've got nobody to talk to, nobody to bounce ideas off, nobody to sort of say anything or really help you with what you're trying to figure out and trying to achieve. So because of that, what I thought I'd do is I'm going to introduce a new member to the Fun to Drive team. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the team, Bob. Hi Bob, how's things?
Alright, thanks.
So I thought I would bring Bob on board because he's about as qualified as I am on doing things on cars. And I can use him to talk to, just to sort of break the boredom while I'm doing some of these jobs. Anyway, enough of that. So Bob will be there during the videos. You might see him, he'll pop up every now and again. But let's get going and let's begin with today's mod. So today's mod is going to be part one of what I think is going to be a two-part series. And that is, it's the start of my dechroming. So I'm going to start with today. I'm going to attempt to dechrome my 5.0 badge, my pony badge, and my rear GT badge. And the reason I say I'm going to attempt is because I'm going to use something that I've never used before, and it's a product that I've seen out there and I've seen other people use it, and it's absolutely brilliant. So what is it, are you saying? Well, what I'm going to use today is this stuff. This is Plastidip, and it's basically a spray on vinyl. It's a rubberized spray, and you can spray it on, but if you don't like it, you can peel it off and get rid of it. So it's absolutely the best of both worlds. So I don't see I've got anything to lose, because I've never used it before, but if I try it and it all goes wrong, I'll just peel it off and then we'll look at some other way of doing it. But I'm looking for the gloss effect, so what you also get with it, or what you can get with it, is the Glossifiyer. So the Plastidip with the Glossifier will give me the gloss effect that I'm looking at. So let's begin by first covering the car up to stop any overspray on the car. And now we need to mask up. Firstly, before masking, you need to clean it up so that the Plastidip sticks to it. And then wax and degrease removal. Now we can mask up. Now we need to leave an overspray area when using Plastidip, and you'll see why later, so stay tuned. Now on the front pony, one thing I don't want is all of the Plastidip going through the grille and hitting the radiator at the back, because it could leave a bit of a mess. So I'm going to mask up right round the edge of the pony on this one. Okay, so it's time to begin spraying, and the first coat is just going to be a light mist coat, just to start it off. So let's do that. And let's move around the car and do all the other items as well. So the second coat is what's termed as a wet coat. So what happens is that we're going to do it a bit slower and a bit thicker to get some coverage. So let's go around and do all the emblems using a wet coat. back to the vid. So that's it now. So I've just done the third coat of the Glossifiyer. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that overnight now, and before I attempt to peel it off, and then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll peel it off. Catch you tomorrow. So it's the next day now, and everything should be dry. So I'll just give you a quick look around, and then we'll rip all of the cover that I've got on the car off, and then we can do the next stage, which is the peeling off of the overspray. That should be interesting. So looking here, so there's the one on the other side looks just the same. So let's show you the other side, and the pony is all nice and dry now. Okay. So let's get all this masking off. Bob, are you going to move?
Do we have to, Phil? I'm quite comfy here. But if I must.
Cheers, Bob. So next is the really fun part. So you can see I've got the overspray on here, and so let's remove this blue tape first. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the overspray on the car for the moment. Let's get the tape off. Right, so now what we'll do is I'm going to now pull the overspray off. Oh, look how easy that comes off. Now I'm hoping that when it gets down to the actual digits it separates from them. What I'm going to do is, I think I might tear it. Wow, it's really thick. I'm not sure if he's going to pull it off the actual number or not. Have a look. Oh, no, it's just separated. Look at that. Oh, look at that. There. Yep. Here. Yep. Wow, that is amazing. Right, I might see if I can get that bit to come out. It might not. Let's go on the top. That's fantastic. Down into the gap. Now I've got to be careful here because I don't want to pull on too many sides because it might pull all of that off the 5. So I might come back to that bit. So let's... Oh, look at this bit coming in the middle. Away. Look at that. On the top of the 5. Down that bit there. And along this bit nice and gently. Wow! There's a little bit of lift. But only a very bit there and a very little bit there. I think apart from that that's okay. So now what I need to do, I need to get this bit in the middle. Now we've got this little panel removal tool here. It's got like a plastic sharp end on. So what I'm going to do is just scrape the plastic if I can get through it. It's quite thick. I might use my nail. Wow. I mean, the idea of this stuff is to get it as thick as you can, because that then allows you to peel off like this, really. But this is really thick, so just need to start. If I can get it started. I'll tell you what, it looks pretty durable because it's not coming off. I'm going to scratch it down with my nail. I'm going to go get something else to try. I'm going to try with a cocktail stick. See whether that can break through. There we go. Right, so now pull that off. Hopefully that will help. That's that. So that just leaves this bit now. So again, with my broken cocktail stick, I'm going to try and pick at it. There we go. fabulous. Now, you might see here I've got overspray on here, but apparently all I need to do is just give that a good rub with microfiber cloth and that'll come off. So let's see if we can get that off. And it does. It just comes off easy. So there we have it, guys. That was it. That was me blacking up my emblems, and I think they turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with them. So I definitely recommend it. It's dead easy, because if you don't like it, then you can just pull it off anyway. So have a go with it. It's not that expensive. You just get the cans. I'm not going to put any links down below. Just search for Plastidip and the Plastidip Glossifier. That's all you need to search for. You should be able to find some. There's plenty of it out there, and it's on eBay. Just look on eBay, and I think Amazon might have some as well. And I think it works pretty well. So on that note, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, I've got my target of 750 subscribers before Christmas. So please subscribe, help me get to that 750, helps the channel, funds the channel, allows me to do some more amazing mods and some more expensive mods on my Mustang just for you guys. Until the next time, stay safe.